There's a mistake almost every man makes after a breakup. He tries to stay relevant. He texts her, checks her stories, finds excuses to accidentally appear again, because deep down, he's terrified of being forgotten. But here's what most men never realize. A woman does not miss constant access. She misses absence. She misses mystery. She misses the emotional space where your presence used to exist. And the harder you chase after a breakup, the easier you become to replace. See, attraction after a breakup is psychological. It's not built through begging, not built through explaining, and definitely not built through emotional panic. It's built when she starts feeling something she didn't expect. Your silence, your growth, your emotional detachment, and most importantly, the possibility that she no longer has access to you anymore. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 powerful psychological shifts that can completely change how a woman sees you after a breakup. Not manipulation, not games, just understanding human psychology better than most men do. Let's begin. Point 1. Vanish without drama. The first thing you need to understand is this. Closure is overrated. Most men think they need one final conversation, one final explanation, one final emotional message. But every extra conversation after the breakup weakens your position. Why? Because emotional certainty kills curiosity. The moment you explain everything, you remove all mystery from the situation. She already knows how you feel. She already knows you still care. She already knows you're emotionally available. And once she knows that, your absence loses power. But when a man disappears calmly, without emotional chaos, without begging, without trying to force understanding, something strange happens psychologically. At first, she feels relief. That's normal, especially if the relationship became emotionally heavy near the end. But then, silence starts doing something your words never could. Her brain expected resistance. Most women unconsciously expect emotional pursuit after the breakup. She expects the long paragraph, the emotional reaction, the attempt to win her back. But when none of that comes, the pattern breaks. And broken patterns create obsession. Now her mind starts filling in blanks. Why isn't he reaching out? Did he move on already? Was I more replaceable than I thought? And understand this carefully. Human beings are haunted more by unanswered questions than answered ones. That's why silence becomes powerful. Not because silence is magic, but because silence forces reflection. And when you stop interrupting her emotions with your constant presence, memory begins rewriting itself. The fights fade first. The tension fades next. Then suddenly, she remembers your voice, your energy, your consistency, the comfort of your presence. This is why disappearing without drama is so effective. Because instead of forcing her to think about you, you give her space to do it naturally. And natural emotions are always stronger than forced ones. Point 2. Stop defending yourself. One of the biggest mistakes men make after a breakup is trying to correct her perception. They want to explain themselves, defend themselves, convince her she misunderstood everything. But the more you defend yourself emotionally, the guiltier you look psychologically. Strong men don't chase validation. They let time reveal truth. See, after every breakup, a woman creates a story in her head. A story about why the relationship failed. Maybe she tells herself, he was emotionally weak. He was too needy. He wasn't growing. And if you immediately react emotionally after the breakup, you confirm her story. But if your behavior suddenly contradicts the image she had of you, that's when her certainty starts collapsing. Because now her mind experiences conflict. Psychologists call this cognitive dissonance. It's when reality no longer matches belief. For example, if she believed you were emotionally unstable, but now you see calmness, discipline, self-control, that creates tension inside her mind. Now she has to reconsider her entire narrative. And here's where it gets interesting. You don't change her perception through arguments. You change it through contrast. Quiet contrast. That means no emotional posts, no indirect messages, no trying to prove your worth publicly. Just growth. Calm growth. Because the strongest statement a man can make is becoming unrecognizable from the version she left behind, without announcing it. Point 3. Build a life that doesn't revolve around her. This is where most men fail emotionally. They improve, but only for her attention. They hit the gym for revenge. They post success online, hoping she notices. But women can feel performative energy instantly, and performative growth is unattractive. Real growth is quiet. Real growth happens when your life becomes bigger than the relationship itself. See, after a breakup, your identity is shattered. A lot of men don't realize how much of themselves they attached to the relationship. Their routine, their emotions, their purpose, their stability, all connected to her. So when she leaves, they collapse emotionally because they built their world around one person. But this is your opportunity, because pain can either destroy a man or rebuild him. And the men women regret losing are usually the men who transformed after suffering. Not loudly, silently. You become more disciplined, more focused, more grounded. Your mornings become structured. Your body changes. Your mindset sharpens. Your emotional reactions decrease. And eventually, you stop needing external validation to feel valuable. That energy changes everything, because confidence isn't loud, it's felt. And when she eventually hears about your growth, through mutual friends, through social circles, or through a random future encounter, it hits differently, because now she sees evolution without performance. And that creates one dangerous question in her mind. What if I left too early? That question alone can haunt someone for years. Point 4. Remove emotional access. This one is critical, because many women don't actually want the relationship back. They just want access to your energy. After the breakup, she might still text you, send memes, random check-ins, late-night messages, and most men instantly get excited. They think, she misses me. Maybe, but maybe not. Sometimes she's simply checking whether she still has emotional control over your attention. And if you respond immediately, emotionally, warmly, you give away your position. Listen carefully. If she can still access you emotionally without commitment, there's nothing to miss. You become emotional convenience, not emotional value. And emotional convenience kills attraction over time. See, access is earned through commitment. Before the breakup, she had full access to you because she was your partner. After the breakup, that access should change, not out of revenge, out of self-respect. This doesn't mean being rude, it means emotionally unavailable, calm, respectful, but detached. Because once she realizes she no longer has unlimited access to your attention, your value increases psychologically. Scarcity creates importance. Always remember this. People rarely appreciate what feels permanently available. And if she disappears completely after you pull back, good. Now you know the truth. You weren't losing love, you were losing convenience, and those are two very different things. Point 5. Master emotional control. Nothing makes a man more attractive after a breakup than emotional discipline. Not money, not muscles, not status. Emotional control. Because breakups reveal the emotional foundation of a person. Weak men become reactive, strong men become reflective, and women notice the difference immediately. See, emotional reactions communicate dependency. Every emotional outburst says, my emotional state depends on your choices. That destroys attraction. But emotional composure communicates power. It says, I can experience pain without losing myself. That energy is rare today, especially in a world where people react instantly to everything. Now, let me be clear. Emotional control does not mean suppressing pain. You can hurt. You can grieve. You can miss her deeply. But mature men process emotions privately instead of bleeding emotionally in public. And over time, this emotional stability changes how people see you, not just her, everyone. Your voice changes, your presence changes, your reactions slow down. You stop chasing validation. And ironically, that's when attraction often returns naturally. Because emotionally controlled men feel safe, grounded, predictable in the best way. And safety is deeply attractive psychologically, especially after emotional chaos. Point 6. Truly move on. Now, here's the hardest truth in this entire video. You cannot fake detachment. Eventually, your energy exposes you. You can delay replies, act cold, pretend not to care. But if your entire life still revolves around whether she comes back, she will feel it. That's why the final step is the most important. Actually move on. Not as a strategy, as a decision. And this is where your power truly returns. Because the moment your happiness no longer depends on her return, you become emotionally free. Now your actions become authentic. Now your growth becomes real. Now your confidence becomes natural. You stop checking her social media, stop replaying old conversations, stop imagining fake scenarios in your head, and instead, you redirect your energy toward building a life you genuinely respect. New goals, new experiences, new environments, new people. You expand your world, and the more your life expands, the smaller the breakup becomes. This is the paradox most men never understand. The moment you stop needing her back is often the moment she finally feels your absence. Because now your energy is no longer pulling toward her, it's moving forward. And forward-moving men are attractive, not because they're pretending to move on, but because they actually did. At the end of the day, you cannot force someone to miss you. But you can become the kind of man whose absence is impossible to ignore. Not through manipulation, not through desperation, but through self-respect, growth, discipline, and emotional control. Because the truth is, the men women regret losing are usually the men who stopped chasing and started evolving. So focus less on getting her back and focus more on becoming unrecognizable from the man she left behind. That's where your real power begins. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below saying, "Silence is power." And I'll see you in the next one.